It's finished for them. They fucked up. Hell, even the producers quaking in their boots. That's why they're upping up the marketing posts. Like, bro. It's a bad day to be a Blizzard employee. It's a really bad day. It's going to be a super fucking bad weekend. Because they're going to dread whatever comes next. Let me tell you, what comes next is going to be fucking insane. By the way, the guy that's the head dev at PoE, he fucking said something about the melee class.
Oh yeah, he said like melee and magic users are gonna have fun or something.
Like, also, some of the skills are easier to dodge. No.
The monk, I don't know if anyone's gonna play monk, but I guess that's kind of